Hello everybody and welcome back to another Brazilian Portuguese lesson. Today I will teach you how to make a reservation at a hotel when you come to visit Brazil. It's going to be fun and you're going to love it because it's an amazing country with lots of things to do, amazing food all over the place. Oh my god, I cannot even talk about it. Just come and enjoy. Alright, so starting, eu preciso fazer uma reserva, por favor. That means I need to make a reservation, please. Repeat after me. Eu preciso fazer uma reserva, por favor. Or you can say, eu gostaria de fazer uma reserva. I would like to make a reservation. Repeat. Eu gostaria de fazer uma reserva. And the person on the other side of the counter can ask you, para quantas pessoas? Which means, for how many people? Repeat, para quantas pessoas? And then you will say, eu preciso de quarto para dois. Meaning, I need a room for two. Eu preciso de quarto para dois. Are you repeating out loud? I hope so, because that's the only way that's going to make you learn. Next one. Eu preciso de quarto para três. Meaning, I need a room for three. Repeat. Eu preciso de quarto para três. Or you can just say, é para duas pessoas. Meaning, it's for two people. É para duas pessoas. Or, é para três pessoas, meaning it's for three people. É para três pessoas. Para quantas noites? Or the person might say por quantas noites. It all depends on the person, but that means for how many nights or how many nights. So repeat. Para quantas noites? Por quantas noites? And then if you want to just stay for the night, you can say apenas para esta noite. That means just for this night right here that's going to happen right now. So, repeat. Apenas para esta noite. You see, para, I usually say pra, because in conversation that's how we say it. Apenas para essa noite. Para duas noites, for two nights. Or para duas noites. When I do this, that means you. Repeat. Quanto custa para uma pessoa extra? That means, how much is it for an extra person? If you want to take somebody else there besides your other three friends. Just kidding. Well, quanto custa also means how much is it? So you can say that straight out. Quanto custa when you want to know the price for whatever. So, repeat. Quanto custa para uma pessoa extra? And then the person might say, são $20 para por dia para uma pessoa extra. That means it's $20 per day or a day for an extra person. But probably they're going to tell you the price in reais, which is our currency here in Brazil, at least as of now. So, repeat after me. São $20 por dia para uma pessoa extra. So the person might want to know how long you're going to stay. So she can ask you, or he can ask you, por quanto tempo? So, por quanto tempo means for how long. Repeat. Por quanto tempo? Nice. I'm typing as I teach you because I remember good things to teach you while I'm doing the class. So, quais datas? That means what dates? Quais datas? So, if you want to say, for example, de 1º de julho a 3 de julho, you say from July 1st to July 3rd. So, again, de 1º de julho a 3 de julho. Now, it's very important for you in Portuguese to understand that we only say first for the first day. After that, we do not say second, third, we say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so primeiro is first. You only use for that, first. You can also say de 1 de julho a 3 de julho. But it's not uncommon to see people say de primeiro. But all the other days, you're always going to say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right? So, again, repeat after me. De 1 de julho a 3 de julho. Next. De 2 de agosto a 5 de agosto. That means from August 2nd to August 5th. Repeat. De 2 de agosto a 5 de agosto. Now you want to ask, how much is it per person? Quanto é por pessoa? Repeat. Quanto é por pessoa? Now you want to know checkout time. So, you ask, que horas é o checkout? What time is checkout? Repeat. Que horas é o checkout? We do not say check out. We sort of say in a way that we read it in Portuguese. So we say checkout. Checkout. Because if you say to somebody in Brazil like, que horas é o checkout? They might not understand. So you have to say checkout. Again, repeat. Que horas é o checkout? Basically, I'm teaching you how to speak wrong English here. Alright, anyway, that's how it is. And the person might answer, checkout é às 11 horas. Ou o checkout, that means, because checkout in Portuguese is a masculine word. So, o checkout. So, o checkout é às 11 horas. That means checkout is at 11, or the checkout, right? Repeat, o checkout é às 11 horas. Você tem escritório ou centro de negócios? That means, do you have a business center, an office where I can, use the computer and stuff like that? So, você tem escritório? Vocês têm piscina? That means, do you have a pool? I hope so. You're staying at a hotel with a pool. Or not, maybe. If you're where I live, it's very close to the beach, so you don't need a pool. Actually, you just go to the beach, right? Mostly if you come here in the summer. Now, repeat. Vocês têm uma piscina? Piscina is a feminine word. That's why we say uma piscina. But you can also just say, vocês têm piscina? Like, do you have pool? Next, vocês têm academia? That means, do you have gym? Or you can say, vocês têm uma academia? Because academia is a feminine word, we also use uma. So repeat, vocês têm uma academia? Vocês têm internet sem fio? That means, do you have Wi-Fi? Basically, the way we say it is, do you have internet without wire or wireless internet? Right? So, repeat. Vocês têm internet sem fio? Do not say internet because people are not going to understand. You have to say internet. Internet. All right? Next, vocês oferecem café da manhã? That means, do you offer breakfast? So, repeat. Vocês oferecem café da manhã? Next, the question that everyone asks when they just arrive at a hotel. Que horas é servido o café da manhã? That means what time is breakfast served? Because breakfast at hotels, at least in Brazil, some places, they're really good. I'm telling you. So, you just have to ask that question. Que horas é servido? That means what time is served o café da manhã, the breakfast. O café da manhã, because café da manhã is masculine, so we say o café da manhã. Now, it's different from a janta. Janta, which is dinner, is a feminine word, so we say a janta. All right? So, repeat. Que horas é servido o café da manhã? And now the person might say to you, o café da manhã é servido das 7 da manhã às 10 da manhã. That means breakfast is served from 7 in the morning to 10 in the morning. Do not miss this time because you are gonna love breakfast. So, o café da manhã, the breakfast, is served, é servido das 7 da manhã, from 7 in the morning, to às 10 da manhã, 10 in the morning. Now, let's repeat the whole sentence. O café da manhã é servido das 7 da manhã às 10 da manhã. You got it right! That's really good. But you can also say o café da manhã é servido das 7 às 10. Das 7 às 10. You don't have to say in the morning because everyone knows that's in the morning, but maybe people will say that to you. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching this lesson. And as usual, leave your comments down below so I know you're enjoying these lessons. And share this video with other people that want to learn Portuguese as well. And remember to review the lesson and practice the sentences always out loud. Thank you, and I'll see you in our next class. Bye-bye.